Good morning, students. Your Ranjana ma'am is back here with the science lessons of class 4, chapter 4, Plants in the Surroundings and Environment. We had started the chapter by learning about the different types of plants, then the two parts of the plant's system, the root system and the shoot system. Then we learned about the structure of leaf. Today we are going to learn about the variations in leaves. Leaves may be of many different sizes and shapes. They may also differ in the arrangement of the veins. You have seen small leaf like the tulsi leaf or the mint leaf, and big leaf like the banana leaf. There is also difference in the arrangement of the veins. See, this is the main vein, this is the main vein, and here are the side veins, here are the parallel side veins. Okay, students, now let us go to page number 35 and write it in your book. The part of the plant above the soil forms the shoot system. SHOOT-SYSTEM. Number 2. The bamboo plant has a fibrous root system. FIBROUS. Carrots store food in their roots. ROOTS. Hard and thick stems are called trunk. TRUNK. The green substance in leaves is called chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL. Then let us learn about the functions of leaves. Photosynthesis. Plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Photo, PHOTO, photosynthesis, SYNTHESIS. During this process, sunlight is trapped by chlorophyll and carbon dioxide and water are used to make sugar. So what is photosynthesis? It is a process of making food by the plant, by the leaf. The chlorophyll, the green pigment in plant that traps the sunlight, and the plant also uses carbon dioxide and water for making the food, which is called sugar. Along with sugar, oxygen is produced in this process. It is sent out of the leaves through the stomata. So, what are the stomata? The small opening of the leaves on its underside. So, when oxygen is produced, it is sent out of through the leaf through the stomata. Most of the sugar formed during photosynthesis is used for normal growth and development. The food that is made by the plants, it uses its own food for its own growth and development. The leftover sugar is changed to starch and stored in the fruit, root, stem, leaves and so on. So, the food that is made by the plant is called the sugar. Along with sugar, oxygen is also produced. The food is used by the plant for its own growth and development, and whatever food is not used by the plant, that is changed into starch and is stored in the fruit, root, stem, leaves and so on. We eat those parts of the plant. See, this is the photosynthesis. The leaf is trapping the sunlight through the stomata, and also carbon dioxide and water it is taking in, making the food. While making the food, it is also making oxygen, which is sent out through the stomata, and the food is sent to all parts of the plant. Breathing. Plants breathe throughout the day and night by taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide through the stomata. You know, humans and animals all breathe in by taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Plants also do the same. It uses its own oxygen that it makes for breathing and send out the extra oxygen into the atmosphere. And it also gives out carbon dioxide during respiration. It takes in carbon dioxide while making food for the plant. But while respiration, it gives out carbon dioxide. Now, transpiration. What is transpiration? Plants give out the excess water that they absorb in the form of water vapor through the stomata. This process is called transpiration. So, what is transpiration? The excess water that is taken in by the plants, it is sent out through the stomata in the form of water vapor. This also helps cool the plant and ensures that more water is taken in. So, while water is being given out through the stomata, it helps to cool the plant. So on a hot summer day, you can see sometimes people taking rest under the tree because they feel the cool breeze. The plant cools itself by the process of transpiration. And the more water that is given out through the stomata, the more water is taken in by the plants through the roots. Students, now turn to page number 36 to taste a leaf for starch and show that light is needed for photosynthesis. What all you will require? A potted plant, black paper, 2 beakers, water, alcohol, Bunsen burner, dropper, iodine solution. You will not get all these things at home, but try to understand that light is needed for photosynthesis. Method: place the potted plant in a dark room for a day that it uses up any starch it has already produced. So, plants require sunlight for making food. If you keep it in a dark room, the starch, that is the food that is stored in the plant, that will be used up by the plant because it cannot make any food at that time. Cover part of the leaf with black paper so that light cannot reach it. See, you are covering a part of the plant with black paper, so sunlight cannot reach it. Place the plant in sunlight for few hours and then plug the covered leaf. So first you are putting the potted plant in a dark room. Next you are taking out the plant. You are covering a part of the leaf with black paper. Then you are putting the plant in sunlight for a few hours. Then you are plucking this leaf. And then you are boil the covered leaf for a few minutes. You boil this leaf first in water, then in alcohol to remove color of the leaf. So if you boil the leaf, what will go? The green color will go away. Now take out the leaf and wash it in cold water. Place it in a saucer. You know what is saucer? A plate. Add few drops of iodine solution to the leaf with the help of a dropper. So put some iodine solution with the help of a dropper on the leaf. What will you observe? The uncovered part. See, this part is uncovered. Only this part was covered. The uncovered part of the leaf turns blue-black in color, whereas the covered part does not change in its color. You have removed the black part, the black paper, but see, there is no change in color. What does this experiment show? This shows that the uncovered part contains starch. This part contains starch. The covered part did not get any light and so it did not produce starch. So this is a sure shot that iodine solution, it turns blue-black in color. The leaf turns blue-black in color due to the presence of starch. Now let us learn about the buds, flowers, fruits and seeds. The other parts of the plant in the shoot are the buds, flowers, fruits and seeds. Buds become flower. Flowers are of many sizes, shapes and colors. They develop into fruits. So flowers change into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Seeds help a plant to reproduce. From that a new plant will grow. So students, let us learn till this much. We will continue in our next class. Thank you and have a nice day.